guys doing? Happy Friday? No? Why? Because you have to come to school tomorrow?
Yeah.
I understand. I feel the same way. I'm sure we feel the same way too, right? Cannot play online. I'm so sorry. Alright, but the good news is today you don't have to do so much writing. Today you get to practice. So for the last week or two we are learning about nutrition facts, right? So let's make sure you remember. What are nutrition facts? Nutrition facts are like fat. What is fat in Chinese? This is already in your notebook, right? What is fat? Charles? No, it's a better word than pan. Yue? Yes, and there's how many types? 3, right? 3, all right? Also, you learn about cholesterol. This is a word we use, right? HDL, right?
Good and bad.
Good cholesterol, bad cholesterol. If you eat the bad kind of fat, you will get bad cholesterol. Sherry? Everybody, what did Sherry say? Yeah. And that's cholesterol. We also learn about sodium. What is sodium?
Like the salt.
Like the salt. Alan? Huh?
What?
Sodium in
Like the
Chinese.
salt.
钠，对不对？
你要辅助什么？钠，不可以钠也可以啦。
Right? Sodium is like salt, right? What is salt in Chinese?
我说错了。
Boris.
盐。
Yen, na, salt, sodium, okay? You also learn about sugars. What are sugars?
Sugar 正简单。
Janice? Time, yes, alright? So these are the things you learned last week. You also learned how much you can have in one day, right? If you remember? So you will use that information to do the project you will do today, alright? And also, today you will also look at package servings. Can you say package servings?
Package serving.
And you will always find this information where? The bottom, the middle, or the top? Where can you find this information? Bottom, middle, or top? How many people can eat it? Sherry. On the top, yes. You usually find it on the top, right? How much for one person and how many people can eat the whole package, okay? You remember this, right? What is package servings in Chinese? Faye?
Yes，分量。
Yes, alright. So this is all review, and we're going to continue reviewing, so when you do your project, you remember what everything is, alright? So again, this is what we call a package, right? Or the product. What is a package or a product? Where you can find all these labels. The answer is here if you really like use your eyes. What is a package? This is a package. What is inside? Milk. The outside part is the packaging. What is packaging, Terry?
Not outside. No, you say inside, right?
Inside is the milk.
里面。
Outside is the package.
包装是不是 Yes, she's
Okay,
right.
okay. All right. And last week you learned to look at some of the labels. What are labels? Labels. There are many labels. This package has 6, more than 6, but we only look at 6 labels. Ray? What is label?
标示。
Yes, right? And the label tells you what? It gives you information. Many different types of information, okay? So here you have the date, right? And you need to eat or drink this product before the date. What is this called? Bella?
什么日期？
Date, yes, expiration date. Everybody, what's number 1? 3, 2, 1, go. Expiration date, all right? And you need to eat or drink before or after? Before, wait, before. Now, what about here? What is this? Who makes it? What is the brand? Is it low fat? Does it have vitamin D, vitamin C? You see this in the front. Nini?
你可以说一个单词 ，product 名词的 name。
Yeah, product name. In Chinese, everybody, what is product name? Okay, need to make sure you understand. So everybody, number 2 in English. 3, 2, 1, go. Product name, right? And you can see who makes it, right? What brand? There's many different brands of milk. What about here? This one's kind of difficult. We say manufacturer information. What is manufacturer information in Chinese? Cash.
制造商。
Yes.
Yes. And who remembers why do you need to know the phone number? Why do you need to know the email? Alan?
The food has some problem. You can just ask them or give them the email to.
Oh, okay. So did you hear? If there is a problem, you can email or call the manufacturer, right? Or maybe the milk, the date is good, but it makes you sick. Then maybe they need to go make sure that cows are okay. Because if the cows are not healthy, then the milk is, and this doesn't matter, right? Because the milk is already bad. Spoiled, right? You remember spoiled? What is spoiled? 2 lessons ago, you learned the word spoiled. Terry. Good job, Terry. All right, next one, number 6. Number 6. Oh, sorry. Number 4. Oh, this is easy. Nutrition facts, all right? We just talked about that. What are nutrition facts? Andy?
Yes.
Yes, right. And it tells you how much sodium, how much sugar, yes, calories, and all of that good stuff, okay? And this is very important so you can make good choices, right? But you can also make the bad choice, right? All right, number 5, purple. You already know? All right. Faye. Weight. Good job. I don't even need to show you. Weight. And what is weight in Chinese? Weight. Angela?
重量。
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 重重重重重重重
重
重
重量。
重量。
Good.
The weight. How much, right? And the last one. Does anybody know before I show you? Pearl. Ingredients. Good job, Pearl. What are ingredients in Chinese? Max.
Yes.
Right? What is in the milk, right? Do they add sugar? If it's chocolate milk, they add chocolate, right? If it's low fat, they take fat out, right? All right, good. So these are some of the labels on the package. Now let's review. What are these? These are types of fat, right? Right? And I want to see what you remember. So the first one is, what kind of fat is the best for you? So which one is the best one for you to eat? You can eat every day.
No token 的。
Sean, Kiki, Jiao.
Which one? Yeah.
Which one is the best?
Oh, Wendy.
Okay, Wendy. Unsaturated fat. And in Chinese? Okay. Okay, good. Need to make sure. Unsaturated is not an easy word. But let me make it easy for you. We have unsaturated, right? Which one is unsaturated? See if you remember. Is it 1, 2, or 3? Which one is unsaturated? 1. Which one is saturated? 2. Yes. Unsaturated means, saturated means a lot. Unsaturated means little. Big word for little idea, right? So that means little fat, a lot of This is natural fat. Natural fat. This is natural fat. What is natural? Natural. Gary? Gary? Yes. But is this natural?
No.
No, right? And this one is called what? Boris? Yeah, trans fat. Okay, good job. Now, this one's easy. Let's read together. Ready, go. What kind of fat is the worst for you? We already kind of told you here. So, Mayo tokens. Molly. 3, 对, trans. Look, go back. Oh, you don't have it. Oh, okay. Trans fat. Okay, good job, Molly. Trans fat. That is the bad one, right? The pizza, the donuts, the mianbao from 7-Eleven that you love to eat. All right. Trans fat will give you. Here's your clue. What will it do to you? What will it do to you? What is this? This is where the blood goes. What will happen to that?
Brian. LDL.
Okay, sure, LDL. But that means that your blood does not move. So the blood move is not good, right? And you can have problems. What are the health problems you learned? There are some health problems. We discussed 3. So I will give you clues and you tell me which one. If there is no blood to your heart and your heart stops, what happens? Bella.
Maybe you won't have the price.
Just
You
stop.
will faint. You will have the
Okay, but that is your lungs.
那个是
If the blood cannot go to your heart and your heart stops because mayo blood, what is that called? A heart. No, heartache is when somebody makes you sad. Heart. Oh, good. Heart attack. What is heart attack in Chinese? Jones?
有没有人知道我们才说的那个心？3个字就好了。心脏。
Your heart will stop.
一个，来这边，可以吗？你跟我说吗？这里要说啦，跟我走了。
You wait, you wait.
OK。
Oh, she said it? What did she say?
心脏病。
Okay, alright. For heart disease, right? Many problems. What is another one? No blood to your brain. Your brain, no blood. And then sometimes when there's no blood, you will walk like this. And you cannot use this arm, you cannot use this leg because the blood was not enough and your brain is not healthy. Abby?
Yes.
Good. In English, we call it stroke. There's one more. If you eat too much trans fat, your kidneys and your liver will be bad. And every day, if you eat too much sugar, you need to give yourself, you need to check your blood for sugar every day, right? Yes, in English we say diabetes, type 2, okay? Good job. Now let's go to sugar. So how many grams of sugar can you have? A 6th grader, how many grams a day? Alan?
7.5 grams.
You need more than 7.5, or you can have more than. Sean? No. Sherry? 30. Alan, you are right. And this is where I need you to be very careful. I asked what? Grams. Grams is 30 G. But Alan said how much? 7.5. That is what? Teaspoons. You need to be careful. So here 7.5, here 30 G. Okay? Be careful. Now let's go to salt. How many milligrams can you have in one day?
这个应该写过了。
Faye. 2,000. You can say Chinese, it's okay. Is that what that?
Health.
No. Okay, Abby, do you know? I gave you the answer. Look at me. Yeah, 2,200. She said it at the end. I'll give you one, Abby, because you said it at the same time. All right. What are milligrams in Chinese? Ray.
毫克 yes.
Okay, you need to know milligrams and grams 不一样, okay? And how many teaspoons of salt can you have? Alan?
Teaspoon.
Half a
Teaspoon.
teaspoon. Yes, half a teaspoon or 0.5, okay? And how many calories should a teenager eat or a sixth grader? Sherry? Huh? No, 19,000 is way too much. 对, 1,900. How much in Chinese? Everybody, 3, 2, 1, go.
1900卡路里。
Okay, good. I hope you said it right. All right. Now, for today, you need to know this, okay? Because today, everybody will work alone, no group. Everybody will get this. All right? And here we have the food label, okay? And when you read this, you need to know that sodium in Chinese, na,
钠
is iyan, the same as salt in Chinese.
yes.
Make that connection. Yin, na, iyan.
这都一样。
Also, you need to know that calories, like calorie, is the same as, I don't know how to say this, energy, right? Energy. Energy and calories are the same. So don't let it trick you. You need to remember, or should we put this up here? Can you remember?
记起来吗？需要抄下来吗？不用。
Okay? All right.
叫做废的，就是脂肪的意思。
Also, you need to know, this is very important, serving size, right? So how many people, right? It tells you how many people can eat or drink this milk or the packaged milk, right? So A tells you what? How many grams for one person? Good, okay. How many grams for one person? Grams per serving is per person. And what does B tell you? B tells you what? How many people can share? What is share? Share. Share. Pearl.
分享
How many people can share the milk? Okay? Very important because you need to do this today. So servings per package. Now, real quick test. I need you to look at the numbers and tell me which one is the best. Chocolate milk, whole milk, or low-fat milk? Alan,
Low fat milk.
why?
Because there is
Less.
less calorie and fat.
Yes, less fat, right? Which one is the worst?
哪个最糟糕？
Charles, why? Too much, yeah, too much sugar, all right? And so that's what I want you to look at today, all right? Today you will do this, all right? You will do this worksheet. Don't worry, I will show you. I know it looks big, right? It's very small, actually. So here's the example, right?
注意看怎么说。
So I like this. They're called Cheetos. You know Cheetos? What are you know Cheetos? The chips, right? Now here are the facts. So when you do this, you will do this part first. This is number 1. You need to write the snack. What is the snack? Cheetos, right? Then you need to write servings per gram. So how many grams per person? Right? How many grams per person? 28. I know it's hard to see. And how many people can share this bag of chips? Abby? 160 people can share? That's too many people. How many?
Abby. Okay.
9. So 9 people can share. But did you know that when I buy this, I usually eat the whole thing? Does this happen to you? You go to 7-Eleven, you buy it's not so big, and you eat all of it. And then you look and it says 6 people. You're like, oh no, right? So this is what we need to do today, is practice reading it, right? So you need to tell me per serving, how many calories? Well, 160, right? How much sugar? 0. How much salt? 230 milligrams. Okay. Now, how many people can share? 9, right? And how many grams per serving? 28. Okay. And then you write Cheetos. Okay. So here are the answers so you can see. Okay. Cheetos, 28, 9, 160. But this is for one person. So what about if you eat the whole thing? If you eat the whole package, how much? So how many calories if you eat the whole thing? So 160 times 9. How much?
1,440.
Now, how much can you have in one day? 900. And so you eat the whole bag. How much do you have left for the day?
460.
400 or 300? It's 400. You have 460 for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Is this a meal? No, it's a snack. You eat the whole bag. Can you? So 120 for breakfast, 120 for lunch, 120 for dinner. So if you eat the whole thing, is this good or bad? Good or bad?
Bad.
Bad. So you circle bad. You do the same thing for salt. So 230 times 9. How much?
2,070.
Alright. How much can you have in one day? 0. So how much do you have left? For breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Is that too much salt?
Yes.
Yes, so good or bad?
Bad.
Bad. And then sugar, 0. So 0. Good. You don't need to eat sugar to live. Do you understand what to do?
Yes.
That's all you need to do. And then after, if we have time, you can share. My snack is Cheetos. It has 9 servings. Well, let me make this bigger. It has 9 servings. If I eat or drink, so Cheetos, do I eat it or drink it? Eat. So if I eat the whole package, I will consume, and you can tell me 1. I will go with, I choose calories. I want to tell you calories. So I will consume 1,440 what? Calories is the what? Sugar or salt. Do you understand? You can do this, I give you 3 tokens. Now, the sheet is very easy. I think you can do it in 5 minutes. I'll give you 7 minutes, okay? Mingbaima, do you understand?
Yes.
Alright, so I need everybody to come up and get one from Teacher Fanny, and I will give the worksheets. So Teacher Fanny does this, and I do the worksheet. So stand up, go get something. Oh, you guys are so organized. Good job. Take one, pass it back. Take one, pass it back. Yeah, I hope you don't drink that whole milk. That's too much, right? I bet there are some people that would drink that whole thing. Try English. And it's mostly numbers. It's mostly numbers. Right? Oh, yes. Well, you can, what is this? Grape. What? Soda, grape juice. You can do it. You can try. Sprinkles. You wait? You need one more? Okay. Here, take one. Take one, pass it back. Take one, pass it back. Take one, pass it back. When you are done, glue it. Give me the extras. Alright, so here's the example so you can do it. So I will give you about 7 minutes. I will collect the extra. Let me put the timer. 7 minutes. Jayo, you can do it. Alright. If you need help, raise your hand. We can help. Yeah, if the product name is only Chinese, you can write Chinese. Is that your question? Yeah, Chinese is okay. But if you can try, say, what is this? Cha, bebede? What kind of tea? Green, black? Huh? What type of tea? Green or black? Green. So you can write green tea. Kai, it's fine. Lemon tea or lemonade. Janice? Neo Tian. Can you say this? Neo Tian.
Instant.
Oh, cereal. But Chongwen, okay. It's fine.
可以写中文。
Chongwen for the brand is okay because when you say it, you need to be able to.
可以。
Max?
你这是那个名字啊，他的名字啊。
For one person.
他的名字
This
是
is
什么？
one
你知道
person. How many?
Queso CC，
How many people? How many per serving?
这里有写啊，我是记学这里啊。
Chicken. Okay, you can use Chinese. It's fine. What? Look at your notebook. You did it right. Ask somebody. How much sugar can you have in one day?
不可能，重量那里呀，重量那里应该有。
30 grams. So how much is this? Almost 24. Yeah. Okay? Wait, make this easy. How many people? 2. So times 2 times 2 times 2 and
简
you're
单的
ready
说，
to
右边都是要乘起来的哈。你看那种
multiply by 2 times 2 because this is the whole bottle. You're supposed to only drink half. Okay. 0.4 times 2. Because it's everything. This is for one person.
单位换毫升就好。
Yeah, this is the full package.
Teacher, I finished.
You should only drink half. But maybe you are very thirsty and you drink all of it. So then, did you drink this much? No, you drink twice. You understand? Charles? Does it have English? No.
如果重量不一样的话，就直接改毫升。改成 ml。那个 grams 改成
Calories. Hold on. I can't read Chinese. Let me ask Teacher Benny. Is this 0 calories?
Yeah. 就是那里。
calories.
No.
This one.
0?
This one is fat.
Because Charles can't find it. 0. Oh, sugar free. That's why. Do we have another one? Charles, you cannot. You know why? This.
No sugar.
No sugar, too easy for you. Do this one. Because I want you to think of the bad. Oh, what happened? Oh, you have 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Meaning, attention. Finish. How many grams? How many people? Calories.
一个是每100，一个是每100毫升。每一份的300升是乘3就是1个数，这是个比我才知道它每一份还有2份再乘以2。
对。How do you say times 2 in Chinese? Times 2.
右边全部乘2。
Times 2 times 2 times 2. This number. Calories, salt, sugar.
你就乘2。
Alright, Sherry? Yes. 140. No. This stays the same.
这个叫乘2。
Good. Yes. This is one person. But this is for 2 people. So if you drink all of it, it's 172. If you drink the whole thing. Salt. How much salt? 30.5. Right? So you already, you times 2 here. Times 2 here. Here. Don't times 2. Yes, you mixed it up. This is times 2. This is only half. This is only half. This is everything. Here, right, 1 person. 1 person. This is 1 person. This is 1 person. And how much should 1 person have? Half. But you drink all of it. Then times 2, times 2, times 2.
就是一天的数量减掉这一个，然后再是有
package. You understand? Alright. Is everybody finished? Are you finished? Wait, 小心. Okay, Ma? When you are done, you can glue it to your notebook. Glue the worksheet to your notebook. What is glue in Chinese?
Glue?
Everybody. Yeah, you should know this. Glue is pretty easy. Glue it on the next page. Alright? And if you are finished, you can share. And when you share, I want you, when you pick which one, tell me the bad. I want to hear the bad. Okay? try to look for the bad. There should be at least one bad for each one. Maybe the sugar is too much. Maybe the salt is too much. Or maybe the calories are too much. Okay? So, here's a sentence pattern. Alright? My snack is blah blah blah. It has 7, 8, 9, 2 servings. You need to tell me eat or drink. Right? So you need to know, is it something I drink or is it something I eat? And then try to tell me the bad. So tell me the number and tell me the sugar, the calories, or the salt. Okay? Who wants to share? I gave you 3 tokens. That's pretty good. All of it is good? Alright, it's okay.
All of it is good.
If you cannot find bad, you can share anything you want. It's okay. But if you have a bad, choose it. Okay, Alan. So can you stand up so I can hear you?
My snack is green corn. It has
this, right? Corn. Corn. Okay.
It has 4 servings.
4 servings, 4 people. Okay.
If I eat the whole packet, I will consume 287 calories and 448 salt and 11.2 million grams sugar.
Okay. So you share 2. You share calories and you share salt.
I share sugar.
And sugar. Times 4. Sugar. Ah, you're right. None of them are too bad. So if you eat this whole thing, is this very bad? No, not too bad. Okay, it's okay. Thank you. Next, Charles. Can you stand up? Show everybody what you're talking about.
My snack is
Milk.
Milk tea.
Milk tea. Okay. It has
2 servings.
2 servings. Okay. If
I drink a whole packet, I will consume
90 what? Grams? Okay. Okay. All right. Good or bad? You need to tell me good or bad. Good, 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 good. You think it's good? It's good. Andy, then Faye. Oh, Andy. Ray, sorry. Ray. This is red. Grape soda. Has how many people? 2 servings, okay? Tell me one. The bad.
47.6
million grams. Okay, and that's too much, right? This is 47. How much can you have in one day? 30. You drink this, no more sugar. We have time for one more. Faith. Sorry, I can't hear you. That announcement. 42 grams of sugar. Is that too much or too little? Too much. It's okay. Can we do one more? Can we do one more? Oh, Pearl. Green tea. Okay. 2 servings. Consume. Okay, is that okay? Is that good or bad? That's good. Okay, good. Somebody else, right? Who has something very bad? I want something very bad. If you drink or eat the whole thing, it's very bad. Who? Who has one that's very bad? All right, Andy. My snack. Oh, black tea. Okay. How many servings? 3 servings. If I, tell me the bad. If whole package consume 975 calories. 975 calories. Oh, how much can you have in one day? This is already 970. How much do you have left?
930.
That means for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, you can only have like 310. 310 calories. Alright? I'm sorry, I wish we had more time. Maybe next week, if we have time, you can share more, okay? Now, we need to go. So can you bring the items or give it to Teacher Fanny and count your tokens and tell me how many tokens you have. Good job, everybody. Alright, tokens. Thank you. Oh, really? La 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 Thank you, Joan. And everybody has notebooks and name cards. And I want to give Jones some extra tokens for helping me. So 5.
Okay.
Thank you, Jones. So you have 140 days. Good job. All right. Bye-bye, everybody. You know what to do. It's different. Good job. Bye-bye.